สวัสดีค่ะพี่ๆน้องๆผมชื่อฟาร์ซามนะคะเราจะมาทำอร่อยๆยำเนยางแล้วนะคะ First we have to grill the beef. Next put it on a chopping board and slice the beef. In a bowl, put your sliced beef together with its juices. Add in chopped corianders, sliced spring onions, spicy sauce, som tam sauce, sliced tomatoes and sliced onions, rice powder, chili flake, and lime juice. Give them a good mix. Next, prepare some mint leaf and kafir lime leaves. Chop the kafir lime leaf into thin stripes and add them to your beef. Mix them well together and they are ready to serve. Prepare a nice plate and serve your grilled beef salad on the plate. Finally, for some touch-ups, you can garnish with some mint leaf and also some chili slices. Our grilled beef is now ready to serve.
Now I'm already done.
You want me to taste for you?เนี่ยอะไรคะ
Popcorn.
ขอบคุณที่โดจนยกนะคะลองทำแล้วอร่อยแค่ไหนกลับมาบอกด้วยนะทุกคน